From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go demo. They all go in the same spot. Here we go. I know better, kid. Looking for it. Because I know better. Roberta getting hung up over there. Nebesinski. Oh, big hit. 21, big hit. Yeah, Adam Smith. I know that guy. Drive like that on the highway? Oh yeah. Especially winter. Looks like the 96 of Jacob Demolition and Roberta. The teammates that kind of hung up. Oh, little play. Right. Oh yeah, it's a block. Oh yeah, here comes Smith when they hit. And the 33 is hanging up, Mike Coleman. Here comes Kyle and Roberta. He's getting up for her. Oh yeah. 96 doing a donut. He's still going. He says, get this guy off my back. Yeah. Bowman working on Sabaki. Go get him, Sims. Give him one. Here we go. Yeah. Way to get it done, son. Oh, I didn't know you were there. Oh, Roberta says, don't pick up my teammate. Sims, on say, yeah. Slap in the arm. What the? I ain't been funny. Yeah, that's a bit. Looks like Jacob against the flames here. Oh, Roberta with a hit. Delivered. That moment. Kyle. Looks like Sabagi's done. Oh, look at down here. Oh, he ends up giving a hit to Kyle Bowman. Ooh. Looks like Kyle can't get her going. He's sitting on the dash, trying to find it. Go get it, Sims. Go get that thing. Here we go. Yeah. Park Department Green Truck. Ooh. That's my favorite Roberta. Come on, Roberta. They're all kind of stuff on. Roberta with the boys. Trying to get her fired. Kyle, what's going on, man? Like that thing, huh? Roberta's got us fired up. Looks like Jacob Demolition's stuck over there. Mike Coleman, I don't think he hit a thing only. There we go, get him off there, yeah. Jacob, you might be in trouble. Kyle's done. Here comes him. Oh, yeah. Wait for it. Fire. Fire no. Should say that word in a demo derby. Oh, Jacob coming back. Someone go get that 33 truck. It looks too nice. get that suburban. Yeah, here we go. Come on, Jacob, that's the way to hit it. Here comes Sims with a backdoor hit. On Roberta. See if we can get going. On the clock again, top three gets the big money. Come on, Roberta. Yeah, she's on the clock, Jerry. Yeah, Sims is kind of spinning. He's got me spinning. That board. Come on, Jacob, go get that 33 backdoor hit. And a miss. And Sims is going to get turned around. Yeah. Jacob, Roberta, and still. Mike giving a hit, Mike Bowman in the 33. Roberta's on top three. Yeah, they got to keep going. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. First, second, third. They get the money now. Now they got to finish it out. I knew that. I didn't hit the siren. So Jacob's in trouble. Adam Sims might go hit something. Yeah, Jacob's getting hit. Don't hit the people in the stands though, because you haven't hit a car. Oh, Jacob is kind of fired up. Yeah. Oh. Sims is trying to get it fired. Here comes Jacob. Funny, they all hit and then they walk. Well, we got 3 left. Here comes Jacob on a hit to Adam. Come on, Classic. Get that Classic fired up. Oh, that just took your tire out, Classic. Jacob taking Sims' tire right with it. Jacob might be the white horse. Right on that tire, and it's gonna maybe be it for Mr. Sims. Third place, Mr. Sims. Sims, you're gonna be third place, Adam Sims. So it's down to Mike Bowman in the 96th of Jacob Kamasinski. Jacob knocking out Sims. Mike, come on and give him a hit. Here we go. Yeah. Jacob, now he's like, oh, I gotta get this thing fired up. Mike gonna try to give another hit. Oh. Need harder hits in Walmart parking lot. Let's go. Hit that thing. Here we go. I want to do a boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. Trying to fold that in. Trying to take the drive shaft off. Oh yeah, it's fired up. Come on, Mike. Come on, Jacob. Put on a show here at the fair. Yeah. Take some of that. Holding that thing in. Come on, Jacob, fire. Let's go get it going. Here comes Mike with another delivery. This might be the closer. Yeah, folding it up. Mike's beaming. Oh, yeah, you thought he was done, right? Yeah. Oh, push, yeah, that's what we're doing. Jacob's tire's almost ready to break off. If Mike knew it was there, he'd go for that thing, but he can't get that angle. That might fold it, that might break it. Jacob Damasinski. You want to get another hit? You might want to break it. He wants another hit. Come on, Mike! Yeah. He says, give me some of that here milk. Yeah, give me some of that here milk. He's not quitting. Now when it's about money, it's about pride. Woo! Yeah. I like that guy. He's not bad. He's like, I want one more. Come on, one more, brother. Oh, he's going to turn around. And it's over. How about a Mike Bowman feature?